Somebody stole the wheels of my tow truck.
Morphle, morph into a tow truck too.
Aw, thanks, Mila and Morphle. Oh, look! All the wheels have been stolen.
Oh no! Look, the wheel bandits?
No, no, no! The fire!
Oh, look! The wheels are gone. Now how are we going to get to the hospital? Hey, Mila and Morphle! Thank you.
Not in my city! Get them, Mila and Morphle! He's bringing us to the garage.
Morphle, morph into a big truck.
We need to bring all these machines to the new building site.
To the new building site, Morphle.
Not in my city. Here we are, the new building site.
Hey, there's a truck here already.
Yep, that's the only truck we didn't have to bring. It came by itself. It's a robot dump truck that we got from Professor Zong.
I remember you.
Builder Lawrence, all your machines fell from your truck, and it's causing mayhem in my city. You are right. The truck is empty. What do we do now?
Morphle and the robot dump truck could go find all the machines.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Morphle, morph into a dump truck too. Let's play a game. Whoever brings back the most machines wins. Okay, Morphle, let's find some machines. The robot dump truck found his first machine, but we'll get the next one. Look, Morphle, those people are stuck in the cement. Morphle, morph into a jackhammer. You're not big enough, Morphle. Morph into a bigger dump truck. Look, Morphle, the robot dump truck also found 2 vehicles. Whoever finds the next vehicle wins. There it is! The wrecking ball! Oh no! The muddy bandits got a hold of it! Stop it, muddy bandits! That's Troy's house!
We are no longer the Muddy Bandits. We are now the Wrecking Bandits. And we are about to wreck this house.
No! That's our house! Morphle, morph into a robot!
The Wrecking Bandits will strike again.
We will help you rebuild your house. We should stop the game and work together. Morphle, morph into a real train. pick up Sarah in our train. Hi, Sarah. What you doing? Hi, Mila and Morphle. I was going to bring something very valuable to my uncle. That's cool! We could use Morphle the train to take you there. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Did you hear that? Those valuable goods will soon belong to us, the Railroad Bandits.
Oh no, look! Morphle, morph the train tracks into a looping!
Mila, Morphle, and Sarah, I'm so happy to see you. Could you use this marvelous train to bring these penguins to their friends at the Dolphinarium for a visit?
Sure! Step aboard the train, penguins! Look!
Hi, Mila, Morphle, and Sarah. I'm on my way to see the big monster truck race.
Why don't you hop aboard? We will give you a ride.
Really? Thank you.
We're almost at your uncle's place, Sarah. I can't wait to give him this. It's very valuable.
Finally, the valuable goods are ours.
Uncle!
Hi, Sarah. You boys are coming with me. Not in my city.
Hello, Mechanic Joe. What has happened?
I was just driving this truck when all of a sudden it stopped moving.
Morphle, morph into a bulldozer.
Wow! Even Morphle can't move the truck.
We glued it with the world's stickiest glue that we stole from Professor Rashid.
Oh, the mud! I mean, the wrecking bandits!
We are no longer the Wrecking Bandits. We are now the Glue Bandits. Now that we have the world's stickiest glue, we can glue the mud machine back together and use it as a glue machine to cover the whole city in glue. Not in my city. Stop it right there, bandits. Tumbling test tubes. It seems that you have been glued stuck as well. This is an antidote. It stops the world's stickiest glue from working.
Yay!
There is more back in my laboratory, but I have no way to get it to everywhere in the city.
Oh, I know. Morphle can morph into a fire truck and spray the antidote on everything that's glued stuck.
It seems we're all set. Let's dissolve this sticky situation.
It's the Glue Bandits!
Oh, no! Ah, it seems that the glue machine is held together with the world's stickiest glue. It will fall apart if the antidote touches it. Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and Professor Rashid. Now, I'll take these bandits to the police station. Like you.
building the tallest building in the whole city. But none of our cranes are tall enough to finish the project. Mila, could you ask Morphle to morph into a big crane?
Morphle, morph into the biggest crane in the whole world.
Amazing! Thanks a ton, Morphle. This is the greatest building this city has ever seen.
I think you did super duper well, Morphle. Now let's go play in the park. Morphle, look! Morph back into a crane!
Unbelievable! Where did that wind come from all of a sudden?
I don't know. It's not windy anymore.
Look!
Morphle, morph into a kite!
Much more fun than I thought. Up in my cloud castle, I'm always alone.
We're very sorry. We didn't know that we built our skyscraper right through your castle. We will start over and build a new skyscraper somewhere else.
I have better plan. I love my cloud castle, but up here I have nobody to play with. For my plan, I need your help.
no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you needed to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman, look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will... fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits.
Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What?
In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.